Hey guys, it's Morgan from the Rad Company, and I'm here with my friend Sydney.
Hi.
And we are about to take over this. We just made it in about 30 seconds. Good morning.
Thank you.
Thank you. You too. A dog. You see the puppy?
We're on the plane.
We are actually on a direct flight to Denver. Probably get more comfy.
And then we get to try to get our rental car.
Yes, that's gonna be the best part.
It's gonna be exciting, yeah.
It's 36 in Denver right now. So we landed. Our next step is to go to the rental cars. We've heard that's kind of crazy.
We're not gonna run, we're gonna walk.
I just got my grande. It's so good. There's all the Anthony.
What's up guys, it's all the Anthony. Welcome back to the Civic vlog that you hopefully know and hopefully love.
Here we are, guys. Who do we have here? Dylan from RUPES. So he said we're gonna start off by doing a quick tour, and then we're super hungry because we haven't eaten yet, and we're gonna go to lunch and then come back and start building tools. What is that? What? George?
I made the guys do it too.
Ta-da! Yay!
We just finished up. We boxed our tools up.
Oh,
We both passed.
Yep,
Which is good. Which is good. I think we probably finished quicker and more efficiently than our friends back at the Rad Company.
Right, yeah.
Which is good. And now I think we're gonna do some one-on-one like class stuff with Dylan, and then maybe play around with him. We pulled our golf cart into the wash bay here. All right, guys. This is how it's looking. Literally so much of a difference. All right, well, I'm sad because this like wraps up pretty much.
I know.
All right, well, I guess we say adios to RUPES. Say bye. 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 That's a lot of people, guys. Yay! Are you kidding? I'm so happy. Thank you to everyone who...
Remember on the list?
Exactly, yeah. They were like, we're winners. We are. But thank you to everyone who made this possible. And that's pretty much all I have to say. So, bye!